Took the bike out today. Went to our local Wednesday bike meet at a place called Blackbush Airfield. It's on the Hampshire-Berkshire border, I suppose. Yeah, quite a cross section of bikes get there. Anything from the latest super bike to my old BSA, I suppose. There's normally 40 or 50 people there on a good day. But strange thing happened today. My totally reliable BSA developed a bit of a misfire. So we couldn't really fathom out what it was. But somebody sort of said to me, well, what have you changed? What have you done different? And the only thing I can think of, I changed the points. I had a set of, I guess what you call them, new old stock, I suppose I refer to, Lucas points under the bench, so I thought I'd put them on. I guess the only problem with this new old stock, it can be anything up to 40 years old, I suppose. So what I've done today, when I came back, bike made it all the way home for me, and a friend, actually my cousin actually, he was on his BSA B40 and he said, Dave, I'll escort you home. So public thank you there, Martin, for making sure that I got home safely. But when I got in, I checked the battery, put a meter on the battery. That was holding 6.2 volts, so it's not the battery. I've changed the points back to the old set. So I'm going to go around the block now just to see if it's any improvement, see what's going on. So if it's okay, it sort of reinforces the old adage, if it's not broken, don't try and fix it, I suppose. But anyway, it's only going to be a short trip round the block. I guess I'll soon find out if I got a misfire. So there we go. mate. Oh well. Cut.